Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Payhip to WordPress. Let's start by heading to the WordPress dashboard for your site. Open your browser and go to WordPress.com sites. If you're signed in, you'll see a list of your WordPress.com sites. Select the one where you want to add Payhip so everything you do applies to the correct site. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the right site now will save you backtracking later. Once your site's dashboard opens, look to the left-hand navigation. You're looking for the section labeled Plugins. On WordPress.com, plugins are managed from this menu, and it's the central place to discover, review, and add tools like Payhip. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so the labels appear clearly. Click Plugins to open the plugin page. This is the directory where you can browse and search. At the top, you'll find a search field. Click into the search bar and type Payhip. Give it a moment to load the results. You should see Payhip-related options appear. From the search results, locate the plugin named Payhip Integration for WP. Click it to open the details view. Here you can read the description, check compatibility information, and make sure it matches what you need. It's a good idea to scan the overview so you understand what the integration offers and how it fits into your workflow. Now, a quick but important note. On WordPress.com, installing third-party plugins requires an eligible plan. If you are on a free or lower-tier plan, you won't be able to install plugins yet. In that case, you'll need to subscribe to a business or higher plan for plugin support on this account. Upgrading unlocks access to install and manage plugins directly from your dashboard. Once your plan supports plugins, return to the Payhip Integration for WP page. You'll notice the Install button is now available. Seeing this button confirms that your plan is active for plugin installation and that you're viewing the correct site. If the button still isn't visible, double-check that you're in the intended site's dashboard and that you're signed in with the correct account. That's it. You've navigated to your site, found the plugins area, searched for Payhip, opened the Payhip integration for WP entry, confirmed your plan requirements, and verified that the Install button appears once you're subscribed. With these pieces in place, you're ready to move forward confidently and complete the integration from this screen whenever you're set.